How are you feeling?
I'm nervous.
Why?
Never done anything really like this before.
It's very new and very different, which obviously is exciting, but also nerve-wracking.
I'm anxious and I am nervous about meeting the group, but I'm also excited. I think this is really going to be a fantastic opportunity.
My name is Shauna.
My name's Jack Walker.
My name is Sinead.
My name's Ronan.
My name's Uyi.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Shane Coleman.
My name is Trina. I am single. I work. I like the outdoors.
I feel like all of us as human beings, I love things. I like to think of myself first as an engineer.
I'm a mental health nurse. I work in Tala and I've been doing that for 20 plus years.
I'm a stay-at-home mum. I have 3 girls. Emma is 6, the twins have just gone 4. So I've kind of been at home for pretty much the last 6.5 years.
I'm 26. I'm still sort of finding myself, really. I signed up because it's something a little bit out of my comfort zone again.
I want to do something like this to make sure I put the things in place that I'm around for my kids and they see the best of me for the rest of my life.
Don't know what I like, don't know what my interests are, don't know what my hobbies are. Have just kind of lost myself in just being a mummy. So I just don't know how to get myself out of that rut.
I've had a really tough couple of years. As I said, I was a nurse, worked in COVID. And my husband had a really bad accident last year. He had a spinal injury. I promise I won't cry this. I've been a mom or looking after people since I was 21. So I set myself a challenge this year that I would do things like this to figure out who I am, put myself out of my comfort zone, which this is really way out of my comfort zone.
I've never done anything like this before. I can't imagine anyone's ever done anything like this before. So to get an opportunity like this, I suppose it's too good to pass up.
And I'm looking forward to meeting others and looking forward to hearing other people's stories and what they have to say and what they have to offer. Because you'll always learn something from other people.